Hello and welcome to my update about Litecoin today. Litecoin is holding, or did also hold quite well in the last few days and weeks here, while Bitcoin was quite weak. We triggered here this support or reversal area that worked out nicely. We then, in my last video, we were up here around $77, came into this support area or reversal area and reversed out of it. But now we're at a key decision point because we now have two scenarios that could play out here. Let me take you through the first one. I'm going to move that to the side here, not to confuse anyone. Look at the yellow count, just check out the yellow count. This is the more bullish count, which would take us way higher now. So in the bullish count, we completed here a series of 1-2 setups. So for example, here a 1-2. And then here, another 1-2 setup. This 1-2 setup is part of the circle wave 3, which belongs to this wave 1, So we've got one structure that is higher than the other one. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And within the wave 3, that's where we currently are based on this count. And we've done in this subwave 3, we've done a wave 1, we've done a wave 2, we've done a wave 3, we came into the wave 4 support area as indicated in the last video, and we could now be pushing higher in a wave 5. And this is now the key decision point, because either we do this and reach it and then cascade higher, or we come down in the green count. I'm going to show you the green count afterwards, but at the moment we can assume that the wave 4 is finished. So against $73.70, pretty much down there, we can focus on higher now to finish off this count with a wave 5 to the upside. This would move us, and we can calculate wave 4 by take a wave 5 target by taking the length of the wave 3, and we go to the low of the wave 4. And it takes us to $80.76. So pretty much sort of in the low $80 range, we should peak that with that wave 5. That's one viable way of calculating target. Another way would be to take the length of the wave 1, and this is in a similar way. We take the length of the wave 1, we add it to the low of the wave 4, and it takes us to around $79.31. First target. Second target, 82.76. So we could specify the target range between 79.31 and 82.76. It gives a good guide of where this wave 5 should finish. In the yellow count, this would be only the third wave. Then we would come down in a fourth, would be a shallow retracement, and move higher in a wave 5. And then we can take it from there. This would then, for example, complete a wave 1, and we would then come down in a wave 2 in the bullish case. So that's the bullish case, the immediate bullish case. There is also another possibility where we say, okay, we've got the green count. That would actually need to sit here. So with the green count, we count this as a leading diagonal. Each of the subwaves as an ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got 3 waves up here in the wave 5, for example, would complete a wave 1. We could then say we came down in A wave, we're now moving up in an overshooting wave B, and would then come down in a C wave to finish off this wave 2 in a lower area. But also this would overall be the bullish case, because it would just mean that we come down a bit lower before moving higher. So that support level for this scenario sits at 64.35. So in the yellow case, we now must not drop below the 71.54 level anymore. That's the support for the fourth wave. In the green count, we must not drop below 64.35. They are both bullish cases. Consequently, that means if we drop below the yellow count support, we are morphing into the green count. If we lose the support here as well, then we have to talk about a bearish scenario, that this count is breaking down. Because don't get me wrong, the overall count of Litecoin, I mean, it shows strength, and you can go with the bullish counts, but I'm not overly convinced here yet. And I explained my concerns in previous videos. It's not, you can trade this absolutely, but it's just losing out, over Bitcoin in the long run. just doesn't give a lot of confidence for a bullish count. So again, if we lose the green support area, we're gonna morph into a bearish count, which can take us down lower. And then all of this was just a corrective wave to the upside. But yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.